Step 5 in our process, your virtual estimate. As homeowners, we are inundated with inspiring home improvement ideas on social media and television and episodes we watch online, so it's not uncommon to wonder, gee, I'd like to know how much that would cost to do that in the real world at our house. As a contractor, it's difficult for us to determine who's serious about completing a renovation project, in contrast with their neighbors who are merely building their vision board or asking how much it would cost to keep up with the Joneses. While we would love to do an on-site visit with every potential customer, it's just not possible. So in 2016, we created a virtual estimate system that allows us to provide better service to all of our potential customers while focusing the majority of our resources and time with our clients who are committed to hiring our team at 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation to improve their forever home. And it all starts with you. We ask nearly every potential customer to take a couple of photos of your project. Looking for exterior work like a roof, windows, new siding, 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 board, or perhaps an addition? We're going to ask you for ground to sky, corner to corner photos of each side of your home, 360 degrees all the way around. For most customers, that's 4 photos oriented in the landscape. This doesn't work so well. Oriented this way, ground to sky, corner to corner. But if your architect was more creative, we may need 6 to 8 to fully get an idea of the whole picture of what's going on around your house. If we're replacing windows or doors, please provide an exterior ground to sky so we can see the flashing directly above those windows, that area. And we also need some interior photos so we can look at the trim style, the sills, the jamb depth, things like that. Of course, it also helps if you can send us a photo from the internet or the home store of the style you'd like to see in your home when the renovation is complete. Perhaps you want to renovate your kitchen or make over a bathroom, finish your basement, or have some water damage to drywall that you'd like to have repaired. We're happy to help. Please, again, hold your phone in landscape and take a couple of pictures, nice and wide shots of the room so that we can gauge the size. As we're estimating materials and figuring out the scope of the project, we also get a frame of reference for approximately how large the area is. Unfortunately, those close-up photos where you're right on top of something is typically not very helpful as we try to estimate a job. You can email those pictures to our staff or upload them to Facebook Messenger on our business page. We'll include a link in the description of this video. Once we receive your photos, our office staff will package those into a folder for our project consulting team. We'll evaluate quotes and contracts from prior projects of a similar size and scope and check on some current material pricing, which will allow us to provide you with one of our virtual estimates. With more involved projects, one of our project consultants may call you to discuss your goals for the project or perhaps to ask for an additional photo or 2. This system allows us to serve between 35 and 40 neighbors each week very efficiently. Once we've crunched the math, we'll either respond to you in the Facebook message thread or by email or phone to discuss the order of magnitude. In many cases, we'll share with our clients that this project won't cost any less than X dollars. Or we might kind of bracket this a little bit and say we can do a basic renovation for between boom and boom. Or maybe a mid-level upgrade for this price to this price. Or we could work on a renovation worthy of Country Living magazine starting around boom. Which target renovation budget makes the most sense for you? And we'll talk about our TRB in the next step of our process. We have successfully, consistently served over 900 potential clients a year with our virtual estimate system. But if that sounds like too much work, and you'd prefer to skip straight to Step 7 in our on-site consultation or proposal meeting or diagnostic visit, click on the link to Step 7 in the description to learn more about our on-site service fees. Over the past several years, this 3-phase virtual estimate system has helped to streamline the efficiency of getting projects started by relying more heavily on our office staff while optimizing our field staff's office workflow and increasing their ability to focus on the current contracts that are out in the field. This results in an outstanding customer service experience for everyone who reaches out to us, regardless of whether or not they choose to move forward with their project. We have over 175 5-star reviews on Facebook and Google to prove that this works. Are you ready to get started? Grab your smartphone, take a couple of wide shot photos, corner to corner, grass to sky, and let's get started.